Hey, what's up guys? We're welding a LSD off a Ford 10.5 Sterling. It is off my 1-ton Jeep. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is get your brake cleaner and clean off a little bit with your brake cleaner inside there. And then you want to preheat inside of there a little bit. And we're going to throw some tacks down in there. Just in the 3 spots. Just so the tacks hold. Yeah, I'm gonna go fire up the welder real quick. Yeah, let's pop these bad boys off. These good old bolts out. Let me get a paper towel. Some shit to put these bolts into. I don't think it matters where these ones go. Don't mix up the clutch plates. Keep the clutch plates where they usually go. Oh shit. Look at that, friends. Got a freaking snap clutch plate. So I don't know if I'll be throwing that back in there. You know, I forgot to tack the tops. Oh well. Alrighty guys, so once you get the diff all welded up, I did all inside of there. I did little tacks on the top of there. I did each gear on the side there, and I did all inside. This will never break. You'll break something over this. Break an axle shaft before you break any of that. You just want to make sure now that you clean all the burrs off. So you want to get your slide hammer, just like this, and maybe like a file or something, pinchers, and get all the little burrs off and stuff. You don't want that breaking inside your diff. Once you do that, you throw it all back together. Alrighty guys, so when it comes down to dropping your diff into the housing itself, make sure that your pad splines are all aligned, or it won't slide all the way down. And then also, I kept this little pad right here so I knew what side was what. And if you could see over here on the top part here, there's no other metal pad. It's just the whatever clutch pad itself. And then on this one over here, it has the metal pad. So that means I know that this part right here goes on the top part.